Do you want to know what your skin type is? Normal skin is luminous and vibrant. There are no more wrinkles than normal in later life. No skin problems are seen. The skin has good elasticity and a firm appearance. The porous appearance is not too much. Dry skin is prone to irritation. When moisture needs are not met, signs of premature aging can be seen. It has a dull appearance. There is a flaking problem due to dryness. Periodically, rashes can be seen on the skin due to cracked capillaries. Combination skin T-zone: forehead, nose and chin. It is oily. Cheeks are prone to dryness. There is often a blackhead problem in the T-zone. It is prone to turn into dry or oily skin under the influence of some factors. The middle part of the face has an extra shiny appearance. Oily skin. The skin looks oily because sebum production is higher than normal. It is prone to blackheads and acne formation. Pore appearance is prominent, shine problem is seen, skin imperfections are prominent. So which is your skin type? Don't forget to write in the comment.